Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how you guys can import or add an AI voice over to your videos or media files or projects over at Capcut, as well as adding TikTok songs into the mix. So this way, you guys will be able to create more engaging content that will grasp the attention of your viewers and audience. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that we're logged into our Capcut account as administrators. So as you can see here, here's what my workspace looks like. And the idea is no matter what platform you guys are on, it could be the browser site, which is where I'm at right now, or the desktop app. Either way, the steps should remain the same, even for the mobile app on your phone. And the idea is, if we're going to upload a new project or work on an existing one, we'd want to click on our library or assets library. So in my case, I'm going to upload a new one. So I'm going to click on create new, and you'll be met with three different formats here, being video, image, and magic tools. Now the idea here is we're going to select video, obviously, and we're going to select blank canvas as our format, or layout rather, and we're going to upload an image, or I should say a video. Now you have two different options here, being you could upload an asset directly from your library that's tied to CapCut, or you could upload a media file directly from your computer or a different storage device. So I'm going to click on click to upload, and then select this video right here, for example. Now let's start with how to add an AI voice to your video on CapCut. So the idea is we'd want to click on the text icon right here on the very left hand side of the screen. And if I were to add a new container for text, we're going to click on add heading, for example. And let's actually click out of this one. Let's drag it here. And you guys can actually hide this, don't worry about it. And I'll show you just how to do it. So if I were to adjust the opacity for this to 0, you can absolutely do that. So you can see that it's invisible. Now I'm going to add a text here saying welcome to the channel, for example, like so. And you can see that right below the basic tab, there's an option that says text to speech. So if I were to click on this, I would apply an effect to the video with these voices as options. So let's do Alfred, for example. Now let's wait for it to load. It might be too loud. Okay, so here's the speech. It's generated. So so I'm actually going to play the video right here.
Welcome to the channel.
Oh, okay, so that's a bit too loud on my end. So let's actually restart it and readjust the volume.
Welcome to the channel.
So here we are. That's honestly all it takes. Now let's talk about how you guys can import a TikTok song as an overlay to your videos or whatever project you guys are working on. So to do so, you guys would want to navigate to the audio tab found on the left hand side of the screen, like so. And you'll be met with two tabs here for music and sound effects. And the cool thing about this is really popular choices for buzzwords or social media posts would be imported into CapCut. And the reason for that is because CapCut is tied to a lot of social media platforms. So most of the popular songs used by TikToks and whatever are actually used here as well. So to import it, simply click on the plus icon right here to add to timeline. And you can adjust when you want this to play, or even adjust the slider right here to change the duration or the speed at which it plays. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it helped you guys out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.